if you've got an interest in animals, it's a good course to go on.
I say if you want to do it, then do it.
Yeah.
It's definitely really fun to do.
I think if you're considering it, chances are if you pick it, you're going to love it. It's so good.
Day sort of varies. We have maybe two lessons in the day, which can be like 2 different topics, and then we take it in turns doing practical.
In a general week of animal management, we're in 3 days a week. We get 1 day off and 1 day work experience.
We've got a rota, so sometimes other people are on practical when others aren't.
And then we get most of our lessons like an hour and a half each, but we get study periods like in between our timetables, like really spaced out, so it's quite good.
Some people will do cleaning out the animals, looking after them, making sure they're okay.
And like every other day we do like a different topic as well. So
Yeah,
it's like Monday
something different every day, don't we?
Yeah.
I just love being around animals. Getting to handle the animals is good. The people around us, they all share the same interest, so we're just with people and we all just came together so fast.
Everyone's just like really friendly and you can just ask like as many questions as you want and you just get the answers, and it's just like a really good environment just to work in.
Because it's just one subject, with it being a BTEC, like I think because we're all sort of in it together, we're not like in different classes, we've all just sort of got along really well.
I've always had an interest in animals, so learning about like why they do things and behaviours and stuff is interesting, because I've got 2 dogs, so it helps me understand why they're doing certain things.
And I love biology the most.
Yeah.
That was the one we learned the most, really.
My favourite part of the course is probably like handling and working with the animals, like just general cleaning and husbandry tasks.
Yeah, I quite like the practical husbandry as well.
Yeah.
When we actually handle the animals.
Yeah, and learn a bit more about handling them and specific ways to handle them. That's quite interesting.
Yeah.
So it's quite interesting. It's like more of the psychology of the animal.
It's a lot more of the psychology part.
We work at the Botanic Gardens, and inside the aviary there, we feed them fruit and we can just handle them and see how they work.
I've had quite a lot of experience in different animals, so I work on a cow farm, which is pretty fun to be fair.
Yeah, I work on a petting farm, so there's like sheep, cows, goats and everything there. There's some people that work in like vets.
Some people working in a vet,
so.
obviously some people working at Botanic.
Since this is our only class, we know each other a lot more, especially the teacher as well, so we're not nervous when talking to her, and we just say what we feel.
Helen's like very like one-to-one, so you can sort of speak to her like just you and her, which is always quite helpful. So because the classes are so small, you really benefit of being able to get her to help you with work and things like that, I think.
Yeah, she's like quite easy to talk to as well.
Yeah,
you can always like ask her about stuff if we need to.
And she really like picks up, so once she knows what you're looking to do in the future, she really takes that into account to help you in the best way possible with how you're doing in like your classes, your tests and things like that. So no, the way it's taught is really good.
Everyone, we all, as I said, we all share the like same interests, so anything that I say, the chances are like the majority will agree, and we all just get along dead good. We're all just dead friendly.
And you're always with each other, you're always doing the same things, so you've all got the same things in common, and it's quite nice.
It is really nice,
we have a good laugh.
Like we all get along like really well.
Yeah,
so it's not like,
and we're all going towards like similar things.
It's not like just like strict groups of like people that hang out.
Yeah.
It's like we all talk to each other and everything as well.
So it is nice.
I plan on going to university to study zoology, and then after that I aspire to become a zookeeper.
Yeah, I want to go to uni for zoology too, but then after that I want to work with rescue so I can help the animals more and actually get involved.
You've got to love animals.
Yeah, you really have to. There's quite a lot of animals and stuff.
You've got to love animals, like most animals you've got to have a passion for, and you've got to be ready to get your hands dirty, like cleaning out and stuff.
It's very practical.
It's very practical.